Well, Auzubillahi minash shaitanir rajim, bismillahir rahmanir rahim. My fellow Jigawa citizens, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuhu. Today we woke up with a series of protests that is not part of our culture and that is not part of our tradition. And we feel that this protest will not be a solution to what people are demanding or what asking for. We are all Muslims, and we believe that there is nobody in this world that can put hardship on you, only Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and it's only Allah that can rescue you from that hardship. Therefore, protest is not a solution, and it will not be a solution. We realize that how people use young, small boys to achieve their objective of vandalizing and stealing people's property. This is not part of our culture, and this is not part of our tradition. Therefore, we feel as a government, we should not allow this thing to continue unabated. As a result of that, we are introducing a 24-hour curfew in Jigawa State, and this curfew will continue up to the time we have reviewed the situation again with the security agencies, and we feel it's time to relax it. But for the sake of Friday prayers tomorrow, we are relaxing the curfew from 12 noon to 2:30 p.m. And from there, to allow people to go to the mosque and pray for the state and pray for the nation. Therefore, but after 2 p.m., the curfew will continue. We pray that people will obey this curfew and ensure that they stay at home and observe the curfew. I want to use this opportunity to thank our traditional institutions, thank our ulamas for their support and for the way they call on people to restrain from this kind of protest. We pray that Allah will continue to give us peace in Jigawa and in Nigeria in general. Thank you very much. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuhu.